Michael Bay's Transformers Age of Extinction is a Michael Bay typical action joyride. The length of the movie, being 2 hours and 45 minutes without previews, makes it very hard to watch, even with the appearance of the Dinobots close to the end. If this movie would have been shorter, it would have kept its luster throughout. But another problem that I saw were your typical Michael Bay mistakes when it comes to continuity and such. One such continuity issue is a scene with a robot who transforms into a helicopter. Throughout the rest of the film, he does not transform into a helicopter. He transforms into a like-colored car. The second continuity issue was in all of the 3 previous Michael Bay Transformer films, Optimus Prime was never able to take flight, not without the assistance of some sort of other gear. But in this movie, that is null and void. On the plus side, all the Transformers that were in this film were very distinct from each other, so you can tell them all apart. The transformation from vehicle to robot and back again was more believable. You could see the parts moving. Also, the villain, Lockdown, is probably the best villain thus far, being that he's neither Decepticon nor Autobot, but he's also much slicker looking and more heartless, more cutthroat. They also introduced into this movie a version of Transformers that the humans have created. These Transformers have a more I'm going to transform from anything type of transformation, which looks kind of hokey. There's even a scene where Bumblebee watches one of the man-made Transformers transform, and he is like, what the heck was that? That's pretty much how it is in the movie as you watch it. There was another minor default that I had noticed in the film, but there's a point in time where Bumblebee is an old school Camaro, like a beefed up muscle car, mostly black, with a yellow grille. But when he transforms, he's still mostly yellow rather than mostly black like he is in his car form. I may be nitpicking, but it was just something that I noticed, and I would have liked to have seen Bumblebee mostly black with some little bits of yellow. Another thing that I really didn't like was the use of Mark Wahlberg. Me personally, I'm not really a Mark Wahlberg fan, but it makes it worse when you try and take this beefed up actor that's known for more action-esque roles and put a pair of glasses on him and say, okay, this guy is a scientist slash inventor slash whatever. I mean, you can't just do that. Mark Wahlberg is Mark Wahlberg. He doesn't play the inventor type very well. Kind of made it hard to watch as well. And the 2 actors introduced in this film that have a love interest or a couple, their acting skills are minimal at best. It's really not about them. One thing that I really did like and enjoy was the fact that this movie, out of all the movies in the franchise, was more about Transform. They got more screen time. You got to see them more often. With all this said, my review of Transformers Age of Extinction is 7.9. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.